I'm lazy, so I'm making AI build my levels. Why spend weeks building game levels myself when I could just ask AI to do it for me? I mean, what could go wrong? Here's the thing about making levels. It takes forever. You're placing platforms, spawn points, enemies, making sure nothing breaks, and after all that, it might still suck. So I'm scrolling TikTok one day, and I see all these posts about AI doing insane stuff. Okay, maybe not that. So I'm like, what if AI could just generate my levels? I'd give it the rules, it spits out the data, boom, instant level design. I'd be a genius if it actually works. I'd never have to manually place another platform again. So the first step, I had to explain my game to the AI. And by the way, I use Cloud because it's way smarter than ChatGPT. So I opened Cloud AI and I explained my entire game. This is Grapplemania. It's a third-person movement shooter where you play as this little ragdoll guy from a peaceful village and aliens invade and you gotta save everyone using a grappling hook. And here's the key part. The game is all about movement. You don't walk, you don't take cover, you swing. The whole game is designed around going fast. So I'm typing all this out to Cloud and Cloud was like, say less. So here's how this works. I give AI all my game data, then AI generates a JSON file. That JSON gets fed into my game, where I wrote a level builder script in Unity. And that script reads the data and automatically builds an entire level in the engine. Cloud spits out this massive JSON file with everything I asked for. So I create the C# script, copy Cloud's code, paste it in, open Unity, hit play. And I see this. Okay, fine. It's a first attempt. Back to Cloud. Hey, give me a better code. I explain it again with more details and more rules. Cloud's like, oh, I see the issue. And generates a new file. Alright, round 2. Copy Cloud's code, paste it in, open Unity, hit play. Better? But still not good. Back to Cloud again. Copy Cloud's code, paste it in, open Unity, hit play. Back to Cloud again. Copy Cloud's code, paste it in, back to Cloud again, open Unity, Cloud's play, back to Cloud again. Got back. I realized something. That you should subscribe and like the video if you're still watching. Okay, let's get back. At some point, I just realized AI can generate data, it can follow rules, but doesn't understand what makes a level fun. Okay, it may work on small games or 2D games, but for my game, I don't think it's working. It needs more details, and I can't keep going back to Cloud again and again. So I did what I should have done from the start. I made it myself. And by making myself, I mean I had to learn ProBuilder, which I never touched before. For anyone who doesn't know, ProBuilder is this Unity tool that lets you make... So I'm watching tutorials at 2x speed. Okay, so you extrude faces, bridge edges, and after a few hours, I had an actual level. But it looks ugly, so I went to Photoshop and made this wall tile texture. Now it looks much better. Then I started working on lighting. And just like that, it looks good. Like I'm actually proud of this good. Last step, enemies. Because a level with no enemies is just a parkour map. And I'm not making a grappling playground. I'm making alien violence. So I started placing aliens around the level, and it's not as easy as you might think. First alien I place immediately falls off the map. Second one just doesn't move. And this guy is not even interested in fighting.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
So the level's done.
Oh my god! Wow!
So yes, that's how AI felt to make my levels, and I ended up making it myself. If you're thinking about using AI for game dev, go for it, but don't expect it to do the creative work. Anyway, that's the end of the video. If you made it this far, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. Also join the Discord server, the link is in the description.